tight. Guard the doors both day and night. Passwords strong like shields of gold. Love and wisdom shared in bold. Protect us.
Have you ever felt like your child runs the house now? The truth is, some parents are not leading anymore, and it's showing on their children's online engagements too. It starts small. You ask your child to pause the video and they roll their eyes. You tell them it's bedtime and they say, in a minute. But then the minute turns into an hour, and before you know it, you're negotiating with a 10-year-old about house rules. We used to call it parenting. Now it's a power struggle, and screens have become the new referee. So who is in charge of your home right now? Somewhere between smartphones and streaming, the family order quietly flipped. Kids don't just want freedom, they expect it. And parents tired from work and life often give in. But here's the danger. When a child learns they can lead at home, they'll assume they can lead everywhere else, including online, where boundaries are often blurred and voices are louder. Online, every app, every game, every influencer is designed to reward independence and not obedience. Your child gets instant feedback, instant likes, and instant validation. So when you as a parent say no, you're not just competing with your child. You're competing with the entire internet, telling them that they are right. I'm happy to inform you that God's order still stands. Ephesians 6 reminds us, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. But verse 4 also says, fathers, do not provoke your children to anger, but bring them up in the training and instruction of the Lord. It's a two-way street. It's always been and it will always be. Parents must lead with love, and children, you must learn to follow with respect. When we stop leading, we teach our kids that authority is optional, and soon enough, they'll stop listening not just to us, but to wisdom, truth, and even God's voice. Here's how to reclaim your role back. Leadership starts small. No shouting, no guilt, just structure. Set digital boundaries that stick. Bedtime, device-free dinner, and study zones. Talk about respect both offline and online with your children. And please, as parents, you must model it. When they see you put your phone down, they'll learn self-control too. You're not just enforcing rules, you're shaping character. But here's the challenge. If you don't lead your home, someone else will. It could be a stranger, a screen, or even a trend. Reclaim your voice, reclaim your peace, because children still need parents after all, not just providers. I've been your host, Lawrence Edem. Until next week, Monday at 6 p.m., God bless and goodbye.
Fishing lines in waters deep. Don't let them pull what you keep. Links they shine, but traps they weave. Trust your heart, don't be deceived. Protect us.